So I wanted to give you a bit of an update on my Joyabuy order that I mentioned a little while ago that I was doing. So this gives you an overview of the items I've ordered and what I have paid for them. Now a couple of these they didn't actually have in stock, so I had to get some money back and then do another order, and some of them as well I've ordered for people I work with, and I foolishly put the wrong size in. So one of the things that I would say is when you order like a pair of trainers, there's a box on there, and if you're not sure what size you need, just put in there if it's UK size and whatever you would need, and then when your agent does the ordering for you, they'll just confirm to you that you're getting the right size. So the items that we ordered were, so we've got the brownie colour Samba trainers here. If I just open them up, you can see it gives you the price in Chinese, and it also gives you the US dollar equivalent. What you can then do is you can find the trainers that you want. In our case it's this one. You click on the one you want and then you select the size, and this is the box here that I mean that tells you if you want to put in there the actual size that you need if you're not 100% sure which one you need here. There is a size helper here which you can change over to men's shoes, and it gives you the sizing guide there, but hey, I still got it wrong. So select which ones you want, add it to the cart, and away you go. Once they've done it, as I mentioned before, you get these QC photos, and if we work our way through it, these show you photos of the exact item that I've ordered and that I'm going to be getting delivered to me. I think actually these might be the ones with the wrong size on, but there you go. This was a coat that I was going to order, but unfortunately they couldn't get hold of that one, so they cancelled it. I've then ordered a pair of Nike Air Force trainers as well. Again, we have all the QC photos. All looking smart. I want myself a t-shirt. Interesting, I just noticed. It says size L there, look, whereas I'd asked for an XL. I've got some other trainers, and these are the ones that when they ordered them, again said I had the wrong size on it, so they exchanged them, and then I've ordered myself a pair as well. Which are these ones? Just here. But you can see exactly the sort of money that I paid for them. As I said, you've got the Sambas, $17.71, the originals, $22, the t-shirts, $18, the Air Force ones are $12, so I'm interested to see what they're like, and then the final Sambas are $18. All the items are now, I don't show it on there actually, but they are all in the warehouse waiting for me to actually, here you go. So all I now need to do is the final part of hitting the pay button. So you can see all my items here, comes to $79. I've chose Yodel as the parcel as my shipping method, so I now just need to hit pay, and then these items will be on the way to me. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you the items I've ordered. Once they arrived, then obviously we'll do a detailed review on each product. If you're not sure what Joyabuy is, it's effectively an agent buying service. So you find the products that you want, you then order them, the agent then does effectively the legwork for you. They go and source the products, they take the photos of them, they make sure that everything's absolutely perfect with the product. If it's not, like where I ordered the wrong pair of trainer sizes, they will then exchange them and you'll get the correct size. So it's actually a lot better than if you were to go and order from some other websites where obviously you don't have that flexibility to say actually I made a mistake, which is what I did here. So yeah, this is what I've ordered. I'm going to hit the pay button now, and then once they do arrive I will share another video with you.